In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an Elementor template kit to your WordPress site. This is a handy skill to have if you're looking to expand your site's design capabilities or streamline the setup of new sites with pre-made designs. We'll go through this process step by step to ensure you can easily follow along without any hiccups. Alright, let's get started. First, we're going to navigate over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Elementor option in the side menu. Hover your cursor over Elementor, and a drop-down menu should appear. Here, you'll see an option labeled Tools. Give that a click. This section has a number of useful features, but today we'll focus on Import, Export, specifically for bringing in new template kits. Once you've clicked on Tools, look for a tab labeled Import Kit. It's your gateway to introducing new design elements and functionalities to your site through these kits. Click on the Import Kit tab to proceed. Now we're ready to upload our template kit. You should already have a zip file of the kit that you want to upload. If you haven't unzipped it yet, that's perfect because we need the whole zip file for this next part. Click the Upload section and locate your .zip template kit file. Then upload it here. Once the upload is complete, you're going to get a prompt. This prompt is essentially a checklist, ensuring that you have everything you need for the new kit to function properly. The tool may suggest installing any additional plugins that are necessary for your specific template kit. Don't worry if you see a list of plugins you might not recognize. They're typically bundled with the kit to help it perform as intended. Next, you'll be asked to select specific parts of the kit you'd like to import. This includes templates, which could be individual sections or full-page designs. Then there's content, which would cover any posts or pages. Finally, you've got site settings, where important aspects like fonts, colors, and layouts are defined. Take a moment to decide what you need from these options. Here's a little tip. If you're asked about enabling SVG imports and you want to use scalable vector graphics, go ahead and click Allow. Enabling SVGs can be very useful for keeping images crisp and scalable without losing quality. After making your selections, you can go ahead and click on Import. Be patient, as the process may take a few minutes, depending on the size of your template kit and the speed of your server. Once this process is completed, your new templates will be readily available. You can find these under the Templates section. Look under either Save Templates or Theme Builder, depending on what you selected to import. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a template kit using Elementor, enhancing your WordPress site with fresh design elements. Keep experimenting with different kits to find the perfect look for your project.